I want to say a special thanks of my honorable sir for giving me this golden opportunity to present here. Today, I am going to talk about women empowerment, महिला सशक्तिकरण. First of all, I want to say some lines. महिलाओं का करोगे सम्मान, महिलाओं का करोगे सम्मान तभी बनेगा देश महान. महिलाओं का करोगे सम्मान तभी बनेगा देश महान. Women empowerment means elevating the status of women in our society. It is a term that is used to encourage the woman, inspire the woman, and praise the woman. You know, women play many roles in their society, like that mother, chef, teacher, housekeeper, and etc. You know, sir, what is your first teacher? Your first, yeah, your mother is first teacher, because your mother teach you how to speak. Your mother teach you good manners. So we can say that your mother is a best teacher. It doesn't matter your mother is illiterate, uneducated, but she always give you best knowledge. She always give you best knowledge to you. But I know, you know, sir, many people say that women are the symbol of weakness. Many people say that women are the symbol of weakness. But you can see Kalpana Chawla. She is the great scientist. You can see Indira Gandhi. She was the great leader. You can see Mirabai Chanu and P.T. Usha. She was the great sportman. You can see Rani Lakshmi Bai, Virandra Chand Bibi Hazrat Mahal. She was the brave woman in our history. So how can you say that women are the symbol of weakness? No, not. It is false. Women are the symbol of richness and strength. So, you know, we must provide the same opportunity and the same respect to the woman as a man. If she will get the same opportunity and the same respect, she will achieve everything in their life. Because कम नहीं है किसी से, साबित करके दिखाएंगी. कम नहीं है किसी से, साबित करके दिखाएंगी. खोल दो बंधन बेटियां हर मंजिल पा जाएंगी. खोल दो बंधन बेटियां हर मंजिल पा जाएंगी. But sir, if you go rural area, I mean village area, you can see that women have no permission to do many things. If a women are a bride, she has no permission to go outside. She has no permission to do a job. She has no permission to carry on their further study. She has no permission. She will have to live in a home. She will have to prepare the food and obey the all family member. It is a bad or good or bad? Absolutely, it's bad things, because when I imagine this situation, I feel very sadness. I feel very sadness. You can think, sir, what happened that on that girl who faced this situation? What happened that this woman who faced this situation? Only we will have to live in a house and prepare the food and obey their family member. It is a bad situation for our culture, and you know. Many people discriminate the men between men and women. We should not discriminate the men and women. We should not discriminate between son and daughter. You know, sir, when a daughter is born, no one distribute the sweets, no one celebrate any function, but a son is born. Every people, I think maximum people celebrate a function, distribute the sweets among the relative, among the neighbor, and this is the discrimination. This is the discrimination. You know, when the God made the both of them, girls and boys, men and women, with the same particle. So who am I to judge? He is a girl, he is a boy. Who am I? Who am I to discriminate that he is a daughter, he is a son? We should not discriminate that. And at last, I want to I want to say some Hindi lines. ओस की बूंद सी होती हैं बेटियां, ओस की बूंद से ही होती हैं बेटियां, स्पर्श खुरदरा हो तो रोती हैं बेटियां. ओस की बूंद सी होती है बेटियां, स्पर्श खुरदरा हो तो रोती हैं बेटियां. रोशन करेगा बेटा सिर्फ एक ही कुल को, रोशन करेगा बेटा सिर्फ एक ही कुल को, दो दो कुलों को लाज को रखती है बेटियां. और कोई नहीं है कम एक दूसरे से दोस्त, कोई नहीं है कम एक दूसरे से दोस्त. हीरा अगर है बेटा तो मोती है बेटियां, हीरा अगर है बेटा तो मोती है बेटियां. एंड